Stock ticker OCEA just short squeezed and we called it out. We know where to buy and sell serious stocks, and that's why we make more money than any other trading group. Be prepared, because in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to trade, I'm going to show you which stocks are going to short squeeze and where. OCEA was the first stock that we went over. You can watch the live video right here. OCEA, which we're looking at around $6.50. And it must stay above $6. Okay, that's the criteria. It must stay above $6, which is why our stop loss is going to be at $5.92. Okay. Subsequent profit targets are $6.82, $7.13, $7.41, and $7.72. I don't really want to hold past $8, but we do have a price ceiling at $8.42 on OCEA. And not only did the stock rally $1 per share after we called it out, we also predicted where the stock would rally to. $7.41 was our sell target, and we made money instantly live in the stock market. The second stock we called out was CXAI. And you can already see it start to hold that support, probably going to come back up to $7.90. As you can see, that stock rallied after we called it out at $6.75. It already rallied again $1 per share. Traders in our group make money. It's what we do. If you're not already in the Discord, you are missing out on opportunities to make money, serious money, every single trading day. The stock right now is at $7.98. It's almost at our next profit target at $8.31, where we will sell more shares. Again, if you are looking to make serious money in the stock market, you will make that money in our group if you follow instructions. This is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. If you are serious about trading in the stock market, make sure to join the Discord. Here's the live video where we called out all of these winning stocks.
First of all, I just want to tell everybody who's listening, I am 1.7 million in loss in stocks because I've been trading years real bad. So I don't want anybody to feel worse than me. I think this is real bad. 1.7 million. I looked at my Vanguard. I'm minus $1.7 million, man.
And you can already see it start to hold that support. Probably going to come back up to $7.90, maybe right below the volume weighted average price right here at $7.76. So like if we took like a scalp trade off of it right now, we'll probably see $7.76. Again, this is not like the kind of trade that I take. I just want to show you what it would look like. So if I took the confirmation and I got the trade and I took it up to $7.76, then the limit order should fill around here before the 20-day simple moving average is hit. Possibly it will go up to $7.90. So we'll just let that happen while we're talking. And CXAI, all right. CXAI, see it's already almost there. CXAI, we are again looking to pick this one around the $6 level. So anywhere from $5.50 to as high as $6.38. I'd want to see it go just a little bit below that $7, the $6.50 level. I would want it to stay above $6.50 if possible as a day trade, and it is going to be it's going to be listed as a high risk, high reward trade as well. Okay, so here we go. If it comes down to $4 again, by the way, we may be able to trade it off of that level as well. So we'll evaluate that as well. But essentially, our first buy zone is going to be right here on top. So now you guys actually get to see me create the call out to retest around $6.29. So the reason why that's so important is because, one, it's going to be a lot closer to the volume weighted average price. Okay, the volume weighted average price is currently at $4.84. So that's fairly low compared to where it's at right now. So we can expect the stock to pull back to the volume weighted average price, meaning it's probably going to come down to around $6 at some point, right? And we want to be ready for that. We want to be prepared for that. And if that were to happen and the stock doesn't dump either right now, like the stock can dump right now, the stock can also dump after hours. Okay, I'm definitely expecting this thing to move a lot after hours. and it's either going to shoot back up to 935 and retest $10, or it's going to, like, they're going to release a direct offering or something, and then it's going to fall to $6 or $5. In the case of a dramatic shift downward, we're going to take it off the watch list and say we're not going to trade it. In the case of a dramatic shift upward, we're going to potentially wait for it to come down, retest, and create a new support level before we consider trading it. CNSL, yeah. So CNXL was called out at around 386, and I was looking buy-in zone at 365. So the stock went from 365, where I called it out, and it went to 397 to the second profit target. So congrats if you got into that trade. I certainly did. And this is still a call out. So we're looking to pick this one up around $3. We needed to stay above $3.73. Okay, and the buy zone, put the buy zone. It's at about $3.75. So it's not actually too far from where it's at right now. CNSL. Okay, so CNSL looking for maybe like a retest of 378 or so, and then we wanted to pull up to at least Alexa.
2 p.m. haircut.
Alexa
starts in 1 hour.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so from 375, this guy can pull up to 382, almost guaranteed. If this thing comes down to 375 and it doesn't dump, and by dump I mean we see high volume and red candlesticks, then this thing will pull back up to 382. 390 is going to be our next profit target. Okay, and then we also have a crazy profit target up here at 418. You don't want to gamble in the stocks ever. You always want to trade as if you have serious money on the line, because people do what they practice, and you want it to be second nature to make profitable trades in the stock market. Is that fair to say? If you want it to be second nature to take profitable trades, kind of like your coach, you want to make sure every single time you place a trade, you place it like there's real money on the line, and you place it with only the highest probability of success. Okay, so CXAI, and our second stock, CNSL, which I like a lot, probably going to be the top stock for me. And then I'm debating, I think OCEA is going to be the next one. I like OCEA quite a bit. Okay, so OCEA, I want OCEA to stay above 650 here. Okay, that's the best case scenario for OCEA, and it's actually kind of right there right now. So maybe even getting a small position, okay, right now on OCEA in the aftermarket, because there's actually a fair amount of volume. Potentially.
What's the ticker on that, Coach?
OCEA.
Thank you.
You got it. So OCEA, OCEA, this stock going up to 682, and only get a starter position because we don't have confirmation of where it's going to go the next day, or even the way it's going to behave in the after hours. Okay, I would actually watch this one just to make sure it doesn't dump below $6.20. But in terms of our probability of success from here, it's fairly high. Okay, Ocean Biomedical. This stock has a fair amount of price history, which I like, and it also has a strong support level at $6.20, but really $6. Okay, so as long as the stock is able to hold that level, make sure to sell at profit target, Charlie, at 682. Yeah, so like we see right now, as long as it's able to hold that level, it will rally either in the pre-market or after hours. Probably going to get a jump in the pre-market. If the stock doesn't release some kind of terrible news, then we're probably going to get a rally in the pre-market. In terms of risk, It's actually it's definitely risky, but not as risky as CXAI. So it'd be like a mid risk. I would take profits here, Charlie. Don't wait for the 2 cents. You know, and anyone who got in, by the way, and made money right now. So CXAI, OSHA, which we're looking at around $6.50, and it must stay above $6. Okay, that's the criteria. It must stay above $6, which is why our stop loss is going to be at $5.92. Okay. And subsequent profit targets are $7 and okay, OCEA subsequent profit targets are $6.82, $7.13, $7.41, and $7.72. I don't really want to hold past $8, but we do have a price ceiling at $8.42 on OCEA. So there you have it. We have CXAI and OCEA. Those are the two stocks that we're looking at tomorrow. Add these to your watch list. Feel free to trade them if you feel confident trading them, but this is not financial advice. My name is Coach Koda. I've been helping you make money in stocks. CDLX is up over $2 per share, and it went up to a high of $7.06 after we called it out at $5. If you are ready to make serious money in the stock market, I am ready to teach you how. DM me on Discord in order to join my pro group where you can actually get winning callouts like CDLX every single trading day. DM me as soon as possible. There's literally no reason for you not to make money with me if this is what you want to do for a living, and I will see you guys there.